Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. And pretty much what it is a multifunctional motion sensor light that you can use for emergency, or you can use it in a closet or somewhere where you want to have an emergency light or just to brighten up the room and whatnot. So first thing first, let's actually open up and show you guys what comes inside the package first. So basically, when you guys first open the package, you guys can see that there's two of those LED lights or flashlight inside. And there's a bunch of accessories inside, but let's take it out. So basically what they provide you inside are two of these micro USB to USB cable, if you guys can see right here. They provide you two of these little mounting accessories if you guys want to mount it onto the wall and everything. They provide you a little user guide and instruction guide on how to use the product. They provide you some more mounting accessories so you can actually stick it on if you guys want to as well. And then last but not least are the product itself, if you guys can see right here. So both of them are the same, but let me actually take out one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like. So basically if you guys can see, this is what it looks like. They have the little logo in the middle right here, if you guys can see. Here's the LED light right here. And then I have a mount right here, which I actually put it onto the wall and then actually grips on pretty well, if you guys can see. So if you take a look at the product right here, you guys can see that there's an on and off button right here. And you guys can see that there's a motion sensor option right here. And if you guys look at the bottom right here, there's a slot where you can actually plug in your cable, which is the micro USB that they provide you to charge the product. And that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now let's show you guys how to actually use the product and whatnot. So basically once we press this button one time, you guys can see it turns on the light, if you guys can see. The light itself is actually really strong, if you guys can see. If you press it again, it turns on the SOS mode right there. So that's only one of the lights. If you guys want to use the other light right here, all you have to do is press down this button again. So let me actually show you guys what I mean. So hold it down. And you can see that it turns on like a little mini night light, which is pretty awesome. And if I press it one more time, so definitely it is an amazing product if you guys want to use it at home or somewhere in the office or wherever. If you guys just want to have like a little emergency light, or if you guys just want to have a light in general, this acts as both an emergency light and a flashlight or a mini night light that you can use at the middle of the night if you guys want to see stuff and whatnot. So you guys can see right here, there's a sensor for motion sensor, and here is the light sensor to kind of detect how bright it is around your surrounding and whatnot. Now let me actually go plug it in to show you guys how this product works when you guys plug it in to charge it and whatnot, and how you guys know it's charging or not. Alright, so here we have the emergency flashlight slash night light, you guys can see right here. We're going to plug it in to see when it actually charges or not, or how you guys can actually tell when it's charging. So let's plug it in first. Alright, so you guys can see we have it plugged in, and there's a red indicator light right here. So basically once it's fully charged and everything, you should be able to see the light either disappear or turn green. So that's how you guys know it actually charges or not, and when it actually fully charged. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product, you can see it actually does work when you guys charge it and whatnot. Really easy to see and tell when it's actually charging and when it's full and whatnot, so that's pretty cool. So if you guys use the emergency light option, which is right here, this will actually last you guys up to around 5 hours of usage. If you guys use the night light option, which is this option right here, it actually lasts up to 16 hours. And then in terms of the motion sensor, that's up to you guys on how often you guys are using and walking past back and forth and everything. That will determine how long it actually lasts. But if you guys are wondering how long does the motion sensor light stays on, it stays on for 25 seconds and then it turns off if it does not detect any kind of motion. So now that we did the unboxing and testing of the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I have to say that this is really worth it if you guys need one or want one. I feel like every house should have one of these because it's an emergency light. Like, you guys never know if you guys actually need it. Like, don't wait for that day when you guys actually need one to get one. Definitely really nice to have one of these, especially since you guys can use it as a night light as well. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the unboxing, testing, and feedback with the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have